episode of Fireworks Brigade Unboxed. Here are your hosts, Johnny Starr and Ron the Banker.
Another unboxed. Sabotage.
Sabatoge.
Oh,
yes.
Remember the three? Did you watch Three Stooges growing up?
No, it was too violent.
Oh,
They're always slapping each other, poking each other in the eyes. It was terrible. I couldn't watch
for
it.
you, that's a Friday night at the club. No? Sabatoge.
Like my Saturday night downtown Chicago.
Sabatoge. They used to say Sabatoge. Or
Sabotage, yeah,
Sabotage. I think that's the name of a Black Sabbath album. Anyway.
Okay.
Black Scorpion.
Yes, Black Scorpion.
Which is also
Chili Fireworks.
Chili. That's it.
Really good. This is an awesome.
Oh, I saw this.
You're not going to see these anywhere. These are really
what is
incredible.
This? I've never seen like a rectangular like this.
So this is a regular box here, and you open this up, and then this opens up, and then you light one way or the other. It's all connected. See, it's all connected, and
connected
you can
inside?
Sure, you can look inside there.
Oh, all right.
It's all connected, so you can either light it off with the fountain first, or you can light it off with the cake first.
So,
And,
it tells you on here.
Yes.
Okay, main fuse, reserve fuse. So you
Reserve
can go
fuse.
either way.
So yeah, you light it off here. I light off from the fountain. That starts your show. This is really cool. A lot of power in these, a lot of fun.
Yeah.
And
Sabotage.
these ones sound really great. And
Well, it's a different look. 30 shots, 80 seconds, 2 to 25 meter height, 266 grams, 200 caliber, 20 caliber.
that's the is that the decibel? 208 decibel?
I don't know.
Caliber,
One time,
it says.
what is this? Is this from another country? One times Anzunden compound fireworks.
Yes, you might say it's from another country, but it doesn't matter, Ron. It's in our country now. That's all that matters. Let's get it boxed up.
You know, these things should, at the border. I heard there's a border problem.
Yeah, there's a big border problem. Biden's in charge. What do you want? There you go.